Hey everyone, welcome to Turn My Coin YouTube channel. We help you make loads of serious money by educating you about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so you can make informed decisions before investing in cryptos. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are lots of tools used by cryptocurrency projects to market their products. One such tool is giving free airdrops. Wondering what an airdrop means? We will get to that shortly. The concept of giving free airdrops is becoming more and more common when it comes to the recent trends in the cryptocurrency market. With so many people running faster and faster to take part, it's important for every investor to know exactly what airdrops are. Where can they get free airdrops? What needs to be done to get free airdrops? Which are the best airdrop websites that offer free airdrops? And so on, so they can take part in these draws. If you are on the side of those who make real money from it, we can help you understand the concept of airdrop, so that you can use it in your favor in all resources. The more players enter the crypto asset sector, the greater the need for a return on their investment. Please like and subscribe to Turn My Coin channel to help us keep the content updated and provide you with more educational videos. The airdrop concept attracts more people willing to make money while participating and investing in the cryptocurrency project. An airdrop marketing strategy involves free tokens or coins on completion of certain tasks. These tasks may involve joining a Telegram group or following Twitter accounts and retweeting their tweets. In some cases, filling out a form or registering on the crypto project website. The airdrop campaign often rewards participants with more free coins when they refer others. At times, receiving airdrops of a digital asset may ask no task other than holding a certain different token. For example, a subtype of airdrop is a holder airdrop. The purpose of any airdrop campaign is to create awareness and promote a new cryptocurrency. The free coins increase the number of followers, user base, and coin holders. All cryptographic game airdrops come with a lot of free coins or even a token attached to the game, so that you are always aware of everything that is happening in the game. It also increases the opportunities to increase your earnings or your gameplay to enhance. How can you earn cryptocurrency or NFT airdrops? In a variety of ways. Participating in airdrop campaigns can be lucrative. Several airdrop participants have benefited from this. It also increases the ability to buy these tokens at a much cheaper rate during the pre-sale. For example, one of the most common is performing in-game missions. It depends on the complexity and releases airdrops from different assets. Another way to ensure this is to let you take part in game engagement campaigns on social media, which involves sharing posts or even posting game-related content. Airdrops lets you enjoy the gaming experience along with becoming more diligent in it. For example, who has seen this dynamic, very present in games, of opening a chest every 4 or 8 hours? Didn't that force you to open the game from time to time or to get to the chest's contents? Now imagine crypto games are like those games in which you earn money while. It is this type of airdrop that we are going to talk about now. This ensures that more tokens are received from the game. It also increases the chance of purchasing assets and helps to build a great investment portfolio. Additionally, airdrops allow us to buy assets within the gaming platform in a simple and straightforward manner, which also increases their ability to have more stimulating and automated gameplay. It is possible to make real money from airdrops while playing the game. In this way, you can increase your earnings in a very staggered manner, which also guarantees a higher financial return and better playability. Airdrop crypto. Why do crypto projects offer airdrops? Reward users. Making tokens available to users is one way to encourage everyone who supports the project. This reward allows people to first hold the token coins as a reward for completing the requested tasks. Supporting a new network. During a fork, active crypto owners are given to users of the main network. As an example, Bitcoin users receive tokens at the launch of the project for supporting the project from its inception. This is also the same case for Ethereum Classic holders for the Callisto airdrop. Contributing to network decentralization. Airdropping cryptos is one of the ways to give more hardening to the blockchain network security of a crypto project. Those who receive these tokens as a reward, therefore, become validators and hence contribute to the decentralization of the network. Publicize the company and the project. The distribution of airdrops is an effective way to present a company and its project to a large audience. Thanks to the free distribution of Coinbase crypto airdrops, the company encourages investors to take an interest in its project and to take part in its fundraising. 5 best sites for free airdrops. 1. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, a price-tracking website for digital assets, tops the list for obvious reasons. Founded in 2013 by Brandon Shea, CoinMarketCap has become one of the most trusted sources for crypto enthusiasts. With high trust, CoinMarketCap is a major media outlet, including Bloomberg and CNBC. Each coin or token listed on the website shows users everything they need to know. This includes the token's contract addresses, website, and other contacts. It involves blockchain and real-time price. 2. Airdrops.io. Airdrops are a free airdrops repository. Airdrops.io is a free crypto airdrop aggregator. It has no involvement with any airdrops posted on the website. No doubt it publishes legitimate airdrops. 3. Airdrop Alert. Airdrop Alert is a free resource that helps people locate legitimate airdrops and freebies in the cryptocurrency world. Founded in 2017 as the first platform for crypto airdrops. Morten Christensen, the founder, wanted to help new crypto enthusiasts avoid airdrops and fraudulent giveaways. Airdrop Alert does diligent research before posting an airdrop on the site. 4. AirdropKing.io. Unlike the rest, it is said that Airdrop King further goes the extra mile to evaluate each option. It also provides enough information to help you get the most out of any airdrop. 5. ICO Drops. Airdrops is yet another free airdrop website that is loved by the users. It provides a calendar of active and upcoming airdrops. It has an interesting feature of ICO stats which displays the ROI, return on investment, of each airdrop. Hope you liked the video. Do drop in your questions and feedback in the comments below. For more educative videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel Turn My Coin. Until next time, keep minting loads of money.